TACTICA M250. We all live full lives, from work, sports, hobbies and home improvement to adventures far and wide. Now you can get the job done and get back to what you love. TACTICA brings you the M250, an ultra-lightweight, compact hex drive toolkit that's perfect for your everyday carry. The M250 features a 14-slot hex drive magazine and integrated holster, ideal for those on the go. Whether on your belt or on the fridge, the M250 will be right there when you need it. Versatility comes standard, with 12 of the most common hex bits you might need, and 2 spare slots to load your own and customize your carry. From DIY to cameras, bikes to snowboards, it's got you covered. To make life easier, we've also added magnetic retention to make sure those hex bits stay in place when in use. Combined with our high-torque drive, those stubborn screws won't stand a chance. Can't quite reach? Then our integrated 2-inch extender will help you get into those tight places. The M250 is made from an advanced engineering-grade composite, making it ultra-lightweight and tech-friendly, meaning it won't scratch your valuable phones, iPads or latest gadgets. And it complies with TSA requirements for air travel, making it the perfect travel companion. The M250, designed and engineered in Australia. Compact enough to carry every day, lightweight enough to not weigh you down, and heavy-duty enough to get things done. The TACTICA M250, a complete toolkit in your hand.
This is the Lockdown from Gerber. If it takes up space in your pocket, it better do more than cut. The Lockdown has the ideal EDC formula: low profile, modern aesthetics, and solution-driven tools. It starts with a 2.5-inch plain edge blade with liner lock. You also get a replaceable number 11 utility blade and a file with a chisel edge. The Lockdown is offered in 2 different tool packs: drive and pry. The Lockdown drive includes a driver with a double-sided 1/4-inch bit and an awl. The Lockdown pry features a multifunctional cast pry bar with a bottle opener, large and small flathead drivers, and a nail puller. You also get a spring-loaded scissor. Whatever comes up on the trail or in town, you're a pocket away from solving it with the Lockdown.
Today, we're back with a new pocket tool that we call the TI EDC Wrench.
We found a full-size, antique Swedish adjustable wrench and instantly knew we wanted to create a pocket-friendly version that would be more practical, comfortable, and convenient to carry every day.
Despite its smaller size, it still maintains a proper full-size grip for tougher tasks. It's made from solid graphite titanium and has a sturdy deep carry titanium pocket clip, so it has a similar pocket profile as a pocket knife.
Adjusting the tool to fit on bolts is very intuitive and utilizes a time-tested design, ensuring you always have a firm grip on the bolt. This pocket wrench works well in various on-the-go situations and is built to last a lifetime.
This is the real Avid pistol tool, the first multi-tool designed to work on all striker fires, 1911s, and revolvers. This compact profile houses 19 precision tools, non-marring bushing wrenches for both 1911 government and officer models. 4 onboard Bondus Protanium hex keys for adjusting all laser sighting systems. Stored in the handle are flat, Phillips, hex, and Torx bits with ball detents that lock into a 2.5-inch long bit driver. A detachable pin punch makes takedown easy. Paired with a tap hammer for stubborn pins.
An 832 threaded receiver pivots from the handle and accepts standard gun cleaning elements like rods and brushes.
A non-hardened stainless steel pick scraper combination cleans crud from slide rails and other hard-to-reach places. There's a rugged 3-inch titanium-coated Tonto-style knife. And a fine-tooth metal file. An incredible number of tools compact enough to fit in your mag pouch. The real Avid pistol tool. It keeps your trigger finger happy.
Created the Gerber Gear Toolcard. It's a multi-tool the size of a credit card that has 40 different tools. It's always with you so you can get things done. I like to be prepared to handle any task, but I also hate the idea of carrying around a lot of extra stuff. A credit card sized tool that could disappear in my wallet seemed like the perfect solution. We developed the Toolcard with a simple premise. The real estate in your pocket is precious, so you should own stuff that's actually worth carrying. We began our design process by brainstorming all of the functions we could pack into a credit card sized multi-tool. We also tested every card that existed on the market. We thought a lot about the design and layout of the Toolcard. By nesting the tools, we were able to add tools and reduce weight without sacrificing strength. We kept the edges smooth so it feels great in your hand when you're using the tools. We chose not to have an exposed blade, so the Toolcard is TSA compliant and it won't damage your wallet. Instead, we added a blade protected by the can opener so you can cut cords, but not your fingers. The Toolcard weighs only 1 ounce and slips easily into your wallet, so you won't notice it until you need it. Or ditch the wallet altogether. The innovative money clip is designed to snap on with a click and disassemble with ease. No extra tools required, and no fasteners to lose, so you can quickly switch from wallet card to money clip. The Toolcard is made in America from blade quality 420 stainless steel, which is then heat treated for excellent strength and hardness. It's then bead blasted for a professional finish and laser etched for rich, permanent graphics. The Toolcard makes an awesome gift that will last a lifetime, and it's scheduled to ship before Father's Day and graduation. We've put in a lot of time to make this tool as good as it can be. Please help us by supporting our campaign and sharing it with your friends. Thank you.
I don't mind, no. Move, keep it steady, never falter.